Welcome YouTube, welcome to my home, cave, developer place. Anyway, I'm Yari and I am a full stack software engineer. And at one point I was in the position where I was questioning myself, should I do a bootcamp or not? And there are so many web development bootcamps out there, companies out there, that is quite difficult to choose. Also, these companies are not very clear about, when you first visit their website, they're not very clear. They don't tell you, hey, this is how much it's going to cost you, right? So we know about the technology, right? So we know what are the the latest web frameworks that we need to learn right now to be successful in this industry. And if you don't know, then you are a complete beginner and maybe you should start there. Okay, but okay, the web stack is quite clear and most of these companies, they know what they need to teach you right now. But when it comes down to the investment, they are pretty unclear. Also, how to choose one. How to choose a web development bootcamp and whether it's good for you or not. Okay, so let's answer these two questions. Now, what makes me qualified to talk about this? Like I said, I was at one point I was in the same position. I was like, oh, should I do a bootcamp or not? Should I invest all of this money? What should I do? I want to learn development and it's so hard. So I'm currently doing one now. And before that I was just learning from books and Udemy, Skillshare and LinkedIn courses, and my experience has been pretty positive so far. I've learned so much, my skills just have have gone through the roof, let's say. I've learned so much, and every day, today it's quite late. The meeting, the bootcamp is finished for today, and I'm still trying to add new features to what we are working right now. So let's get right into it. It's 3 minutes, and we need to get anyway. So, I don't know what was that. Please don't judge me. So, first of all, here, let's take a look at some companies out there. So we have first in line by no logical order, just for some random research I've done. We have Ironhack here in Europe. So, at the moment you catch me here in Poland. And we have Ironhack. I was going to do Ironhack. I was thinking about joining them when I was living in Barcelona, because I went to some of the meetings, like the end product meeting, like the students, they presented the final project at the end, and it was quite interesting. So anyway, I've gone through the website, I looked everywhere and I don't see what the price. I know what the price is, because I requested more information, I spoke to some of the tutors and so on and so on. So it was pretty difficult to find the pricing here on the website. So let's move on. And then we have General Assembly. Oh, what is this? No, not this. This is some e-commerce site. Not this. So again, I looked on their website. I couldn't find anything with fees and tuitions, and they have loads of courses. But the main course, the one that you just go from zero to extraordinary fully employed developer in 3 months. I don't know. I don't know about that, but some of these companies claim that, which is very questionable. Apply now. Okay, payments and plans. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can get anything. 40,000. Oh, so Landed a job that makes 40,000. Okay. Alright, but what about your pricing? I want to know how much I'm going to invest. You know? I know I need to put in the work. I know I need to work hard and study. But how much is it going to cost me? It's not clear. Then we have Coding Dojo. Right, so Coding Dojo has pretty good reputation out there. Okay. But yeah, the same thing, I couldn't find anything when I was looking for earlier about the tuitions or anything like that. Curriculum, okay, so we know about the... Okay, so yeah, some people ended up working here. These are the happy faces, the happy chaps. This, okay, so they're teaching you this. Nothing about the price. Maybe you need to look deeper, I don't know. But you know, for choosing to answer that question, how to choose one, we want to know, we want to see a company that's clear. So hey, it's going to cost you 20 grand. You're going to learn this. This is your tutor. You want the full picture clear on the website. Okay, so we've gone past the days of long sales letters just to, so that you can sell me the product. Now you need to be straight to the point, honest, and say, hey, look, this is what we're going to teach you. This is how much it's going to cost. You know, it's going to be in this amount of time, and this is what we expect you to have at the end. But now, yeah, some more happy faces. This looks like stock pictures. Let's do a little quick research. And then, okay, this has been the best 3 months ever. So this person works on Lender. Let's do a quick research. At Lender, yeah. Charlie, are you working in Lender? Charlie Harrington. Coding still. Okay, so it looks like this person. Lender. Okay. Okay, so looks like he's a real person. Huh? Wait. Is that you, Charlie? It's this guy. Okay. Do they look? Yeah. Okay, yes, he's a real person. Looks like software engineers. Okay. Awesome. So, okay, so this is how, I don't know, I would choose a company. I want somebody who's clear. Hey, are you gonna like help me find a job, or do you only get paid when I find the job? 8 minutes, oh shit, I need to hurry up. Okay, so nothing here. Lumber School, okay, Lumber School, we know, so most of the people you know, these people are awesome. You don't pay anything unless you get a job. That's amazing. And Lumber School, please take me, I will join. I'm super passionate developer, I will go right there now. If I could get a green card in the US, I'll go right there now. Anyway, let's move on, because we always have 10 minutes. So, yeah, so in a company like this, it's, you know, it tells you, hey, you don't find a job, you don't pay us nothing. I will teach you everything you need to know. Boom! And this is how I got sold for the current bootcamp that I'm doing right now. So, and I was a little bit skeptical at first, but now now that I've joined a couple of modules, yes, they are moving super fast, and you need to keep up with them, because it's one concept after another and after another. It's 6 months of intense coding, right? And 6 months to learn web development, it's quite a short time, I think anyway, based on my experience. Maybe I'm slow-mo learner, and some people might learn pretty fast, but I think 6 months, coding 4 hours a day, every day, plus doing your own little research, which is going to be the next subject I'm going to answer next. It's the time that you put into it, not just the time they teach you, but the time you put extra, which I think is so crucial. Yeah, so I forgot what I was going to, what my point was. Anyway, so is it something for you or not? For, Web Development Bootcamp, is it something for you? It depends the type of person you are. Okay, so if you're a person who's doing this just because you want to get a good paying job at the end, then maybe this is not something for you. But if, and you're not really that committed, you know, the extra time, the extra coding, you know, working on your own little projects, getting excited about new technologies and testing this every day and adding new features to your past applications and so on that you've created in the past. But if you're only just doing this just because you want the job at the end and nothing else, then I don't know, it's gonna be pretty hard for you. But if you're a person, for example, I'll give you an example of my own experience. Once they teach me, you know, I spend 8 hours a day with the guys, for the instructors and everybody else. But once they teach us about a new concept, a new function, and a new ES6 or ES7 function, then, you know, after the course, I'm shutting down my phone. I have nothing. I have my resource, and I have my code editor, and I'm reading about the resource, and I'm like, okay, what does this code actually do? What does it do? And I'm really good learning about it. Okay, I'm really going deep. You know, it's Friday night, my friends are out having fun, summer here in Europe, and I'm at home just really getting this concept, and I'm, yeah, it just feels so nice. But so if you're a person like that, then yeah, bootcamp is just gonna go bam, it's gonna give you the information you need, it's gonna take you straight out there. Anyway, I think this video has gone for long enough. If you stuck all the way to this point, then thank you. Thank you, and I'm going to be documenting my whole process of learning how to code, and I'm also going to be doing some really interesting videos about how to create web applications that can give you a little bit of cash, some side projects, little startups, how to find the idea all the way to validate that idea and make sure it's an application that we can create and we can sell it, production, so putting it together and then shipping it, selling it basically. So this guy's face is so charismatic actually. Yeah, so nothing, you know, startup, nothing out of the world, nothing that's going to be like super, and then the next Facebook, the next Instagram. No, something that we can find in a niche market that we can create 2 to 3 weeks, probably a month, putting it together, and then, you know, having some recurring business, selling it to people, getting them to pay a monthly fee or maybe a year fee. They can use it. They will find a lot of value using it. It actually fixes a problem that they have. And, you know, looking for, you know, 30 to 40 users, I don't know, paying some cash, you know, and you never know. It just might fail, it might succeed. I don't know. That's the main thing, is the process. It's from creating it, enjoying the process, launching it, failing, winning, doesn't matter. As long as we're moving forward and learning and, yeah, loving life. Anyway, so I wish you the best of days. Hopefully you come and join me. This video is 15 minutes long and it's, yeah, so long. And thank you for staying with me all this time. I think it might be a little bit less. I'm gonna do some editing. So anyway, see you next video. We'll be, yeah, I'm gonna be uploading videos every Saturday and Sundays. It's the only time I have free to create some cool stuff for you. Okay, cool. See ya.